Hey everyone, checking back in the cryptocurrency space. First, want to say that the bears are out tonight. We've had some nice bullish moves. Yesterday, we caught that ETH move. We'll look at that. Today was LTC. We'll look at that. But BTC right now, looking at the daily time frame, close to a very key break of support. And I will be looking for an oversold bounce entry if we do get this dump overnight. What I'm looking at is the lowest price we've seen on this major consolidation over the past let's see, it's been 8 days at this point. That's at 38.07. That's the level I keep highlighting as the must hold for the bulls. And if that breaks, we're going to see a more significant move, in my opinion, because we don't have much support established on the way up. The next daily support after 38.07 is 3232. Doesn't mean we're going to drop down to that level, but it just shows us that there is a lack of support established on the way up. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we are closing in on potentially getting oversold. When this candlestick was down at the lows, the 4-hour RSI was right above 30. So if we do break this 38.07 level, and we just bounced off of 38.20, but if it does break, we will be looking at a nice 4-hour oversold bounce. The 4-hour oversold time frame has not been hit since back on July 15th, and we had awesome gains from that bounce. So there are a couple supports here to be watching, 37.36, and then I would be looking down at really 3,500 would be the next level after those two. So watching close for the potential dump on this level. We are seeing a bounce right now from that 38.20 level as the hourly RSI was oversold. We'll be looking for a lower high to form on this bounce and a potential continuation. I've been watching the support here, or I've been watching the order book on Bitcoin as it's been trading, and there are unlimited coins on the ask. And what I've been watching is very significant bulls buying at the ask in 70 to 90 lots. And I'm talking about GDAX here. And I saw that at least 4 or 5 times with 50 to 90 coin market orders hitting. And every time they hit, there was an ask ready to step back in. And you would see an ask of 50 coins, and it would get bought down to 25, and then it would jump back to 50. So there was pretty much nothing that the bulls could do to stop the resistance that was forming and driving the price down. So I will be looking. I'm not going to be entering any oversold bounces at this point. I did make a couple trades, very short term, not any significant gains. And just now, because I am anticipating if the bears want to see a flush here, they're going to break this 3,800 level and see a lot of stop orders trigger. And I will be looking to make an entry once those stop losses do trigger to look for that oversold bounce to play out. So very patient here. Bulls have some short-term momentum. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, a little bit of a bounce is playing out. 39.40 key resistance. If we can't break that level, it is just another lower high. And you can see the bull volume is decreasing on this bounce attempt. So very patient, looking for 4-hour oversold conditions.